Don't make it take you away, no, Sash. Hold it, Sash, hold it. Check that out. We are flying a kite, so when you say go fly a kite, this is what we're actually doing. I cannot believe it. Yo, you feel the weight? Yo, hold it. And you say it's about 5 feet high?
Yeah.
The kite?
More than 5.
More than 5 feet?
5.5.
Yeah? Yo!
Now one day about 6.
That's crazy. So you tie that one, where do I want to tie?
See them down
Alright, next time
You see that?
Pick up yourself now.
But on the delivery trail, you can be a part of the team, you know, with the shipping. The shipping, you ship your packages from overseas. Anywhere overseas to us in Florida, sign up with us to get your overseas address. Send your packages there, and we'll bring it here in Jamaica. Come deliver right at your gate. Hey, you gotta switch right now. Right now. Yes, man. I give the information right now. You want to card them?
Yo! I tell me, I got tired. I'm tired.
Yo,
come hold this now, man. I want
yo,
to play, man.
this. Let go.
Come hold it, man.
Ah! You feel it? Huh? You don't have to take care of it.
Hold it, man.
Who see that? That's crazy. Yes, man. So just go on the webpage, sign up, get an account with us, and I'm gonna give you my number, or you'll see the customer care number on it. So you can give the customer care line a call, just in case you need any other information. All right? Yeah, man. We got you, bro. Just like how you bring me back to the good old youthful days. Yeah. Yeah. Remember your cross engine? That is what I remember. Alright, have a good one, brother. Alright, cool.